సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి అండ్ ఫర్ మోర్ అప్డేట్స్ బెల్ ఐకాన్ క్లిక్ చేయడం మర్చిపోకండి.
Now we are going to discuss full wave bridge rectifier. Full wave rectifiers are two types. First one is the center taped and second one is the bridge rectifier. Full wave bridge rectifier. Full wave bridge rectifier circuit consists of 4 diodes D1, D2, D3, D4. 4 diodes. Okay, these 4 diodes arranged in the form of 4 resistance. Arranged in the form of 4 resistance. Arranged in the form of like 4 resistance. Not resistance but like form of 4 resistance of Wheatstone bridge. In the Wheatstone bridge 4 resistance, in the bridge rectifier 4 diodes. Here 4 resistance R1, R2, R3, R4. Here 4 diodes, just like as 4 resistance of Wheatstone bridges. Okay, then Wheatstone bridge just like form of this type. Okay, this is the diode, this is the diode, this is the diode, this is the diode. 4 diodes. This is the A, B, C, D. And this is the D1 diode, this is the D2 diode, D3 diode, D4 diode. Okay, consists of 4 diodes. These are 4 diodes. In 4 diodes, okay, A and C, this is the D3, A and C are connected to secondary coil of the transformer. Secondary coil of the transformer. Okay, this is the transformer, this is the secondary coil, this is the primary coil. This is the AC input voltage, sinusoidal voltage. This is the input voltage, AC voltage. This is primary coil, this is the secondary coil. The secondary coil is connected to A and C. The secondary coil connected to A and C, opposite sides A and C. Network connected to S, secondary coil. Okay, and this is the S1, this is the S2 secondary coil. Okay, next of all, and B and D, B and D, this is the B, this is the D. B and D are connected to load resistance. Connected to load resistance. Total output is the DC. This is the DC voltage. This is the circuit diagram. This is the circuit diagram. So full wave bridge rectifier consists transformer. In the transformer, primary coil is connected to AC input voltage. Transformer secondary coil S1 and S2. So the secondary coil is connected to the opposite sides of A and C, and opposite sides B and D are connected to load resistance. This is the load resistance total. This is the output. This is the circuit diagram of the full wave bridge rectifier. This is the diode 1, this is the diode 1, this is the diode 2, this is the diode 3, this is the diode 4. Okay, in the circuit A is positive and C is negative. A is positive and C is negative. So diodes D1 and D3 are forward biases and D2 and D4 are reverse biased. Okay, this is the circuit diagram. This is the positive potential, this is the negative potential. These two are connected to secondary coil of the transformer. The primary coil is connected to AC input voltage, and D and B are connected to load resistance. Totally this is the output voltage. Okay, in the form, in the graph, this is the time, that is the omega t. First of all, first forward bias allow. Okay, this is not allow, this is the allow, this is the allow, this is does not allow, this is the allow, does not allow, allow. Okay, another form, does not allow, 0 pi, 0 pi allow. In the reverse bias, 0 pi does not allow, allow, does not allow, allow. So these two graphs are exhibit in one graph. So much, maximum, minimum, maximum, minimum, maximum, minimum, maximum, minimum. So these two are overlapped to totally. This is the output curve, pulsating DC analysis. So consider the sinusoidal voltage Vi is the applied, Vi is the applied input of the rectifier. So that Vi equals to Vm sin omega t, sin omega t. That is the same way the current, this is the voltage, in the same way I1 equals to Im sin omega t, I1 equals to Im sin omega t. This is the allow current, this is the allow current between 0 to pi, 0 to pi. Because once again we observed the, so first of all 0, pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi. This is the allow, this is not allow, this is the allow, this is not allow. Okay, so then I1 equals to 0, not allow, that is the between pi, between 2 pi. This is the one case, this is the one case. The input current equals to Im sin omega t. This is the allow current 0 to pi. It's not does not allow current pi to 2 pi. So I1 equals to 0, I1 equals to 0. Then that the same way the second case, in the second case I0 equals to 0. First is the I2 equals to 0, because in the second way this is not allowed, this is not allowed, this is the allowed. So I2 equals to 0 between 0 to pi. Next, I2 equals to Im sin omega t, that is the, this is the allow, pi between 2 pi. Okay, these are two conditions, these are two conditions. First condition is the first is the allow, so this is the Im sin omega t. Second does not allow, so 0. Next, in the same way, in the reversible, I2 is the first of all 0, it does not allow. Second one is the allow. These are conditions. These are conditions. Here Im equals to current maximum equals to Vm upon Rf plus RL. This is the forward resistance, load resistance, forward resistance and load resistance. So Im equals to Vm upon Rf plus RL. Here load resistance equals to I1 plus I2. Load resistance equals to I1 plus I2. Next, we have to find the parameters of the full wave rectifier. Parameters of the full wave rectifier. First parameter is the, we have to find the DC value of current. DC value of current. So we know that that formula is the current DC current equals to 1 upon 2 pi integration 0 to 2 pi I of t, this is the function dt with respect to time, here with respect to time. Okay, then this equation can be written as DC value of the current equals to 1 upon 2 pi 1 upon 2 pi integration 0 to 2 pi I1 d of omega t minus integration 0 to 2 pi I2 d omega t. With respect to here theta equals to omega t, omega equals to angular position by time, so theta equals to omega t, here. So this is the formula. This formula is can be written as two currents. One is the forward current, another is the reversible current. So it's the minus. So this equation can be written as first of all DC current equals to 1 upon 2 pi integration 0 to pi. Already we know that first of all 0 to pi allow, 2 pi does not allow. Okay, then 3 pi allow. Next, in reversible does not allow 0 to pi, allow pi to 2 pi. So we observed that these things. First of all 0 to pi allow, so 0 to integration 0 to pi I1 equals to Im sin omega t d omega t. Okay, plus second this is the 0. Okay, it's complete. Next, this value integration 0 to 2 pi first is the does not allow 0 plus integration 0 to not 0 together pi to 2 pi allow, that is the Im sin omega t d omega t. Okay, clearly observe, this is the, once again, this is the first forward current. In forward current, two conditions. One is the 0 to pi is the allow, pi to 2 pi is the does not allow. So first of all, I of DC equals to 1 upon 2 pi. Next, in this case there are two conditions, 0 to pi is the allow, pi to 2 pi does not allow. So this equation can be written as integration 0 to pi allow, that is the Im sin omega t d omega t plus integration pi to 2 pi does not allow, so this is the 0. This is the 0. Next, minus. In this condition there are two terms, 0 to pi does not allow, pi to 2 pi is allow. So integration 0 to pi, this term is 0 because does not allow. Next is the this plus integration pi to 2 pi im sin omega t dt. This is the yellow d omega t. This is the yellow. Okay, totally this equation can be written as dc current equals to 1 upon 2 pi integration 0 to pi im sin omega t d omega t plus 0, okay, minus 0, okay, minus 0. So here minus integration pi to 2 pi im sin omega t d omega t. Okay, this equation can be written as dc current equals to 1 upon 2 pi of integration 0 to pi im sin omega t d omega t 0 minus total value minus integration pi to 2 pi im sin omega t d omega t. Okay, so this is the im is the constant value. Here im is the constant value, totally common, take the common, im upon 2 pi of integration 0 to pi sin omega t d of omega t minus integration pi to 2 pi sin omega t d of omega t. So here im is the common, here im is the common. So I of dc equals to im upon 2 pi. Here integration of the sin omega t is the minus cos omega t, boundaries is the 0 to pi, minus here sin omega t is the minus cos omega t, boundaries are pi to pi. Here minus is the common. So I dc current equals to minus is the common, minus im upon 2 pi equals to cos omega t, boundaries 0 to pi, cos omega t, boundaries pi to 2 pi. The boundary conditions are applied here. The dc current equals to minus im upon 2 pi cos pi minus cos 0 degrees, okay, minus cos 2 pi minus cos pi. Okay, these values are substituted in this equation. The dc current equals to, the dc value of the current equals to minus im upon 2 pi, here minus im upon 2 pi, cos pi is the minus 1, minus cos 0 value is the 1. Okay, this is the this value minus of cos 2 pi is the 1 minus, okay, cos pi value is the minus 1, okay, minus 1. So the dc value of the current equals to totally minus im upon 2 pi minus 2 minus into minus plus 1 plus 1 2. This is the minus 2 minus this is the value 2. So the DC value of the current equals to minus Im upon 2 pi into minus 4. So minus into minus plus, the DC value of the current equals to 2 to the 2 times. So 2 upon pi into Im, minus into minus plus. Okay, this value can be written as DC value of the current equals 2 upon pi value is the 3.14 into Im. So the DC value of the current equals to 2 upon 3.14 equals to 0.6369 into Im. So the DC value of the current equals to 0.639 into maximum current. Okay, but maximum current value equals to, we know that maximum current value equals to Vm upon Rf plus RL. Okay, this value is substituted in above equation. The DC value of the current DC equals to 0.6369 Vm upon Rf plus RL. Okay, this is the DC value of the current. DC value of the current equals to 0.6369 Vm upon Rf plus RL. Okay, in the condition of RL is much greater than Rf, so load resistance is very much than forward resistance, so then Rf is neglected. So the DC value of the current equals to 0.6369 into Vm upon RL, but here RL equals to I1 plus I2. Okay, this is the DC value of the current value. Okay, next parameter. Our next parameter is the rectifier efficiency. Rectifier efficiency is denoted is eta. What is the definition of eta? Eta equals to, it is defined as the ratio of DC output power to the AC input power. Eta equals to power DC power AC. Okay, this is the ratio. Rectifier efficiency is the ratio. The ratio as the DC output power to AC input power. But already we know that DC output power equals to DC current square into RL. Already we know that IDC equals to DC current value equals to just 2 Im upon pi. Already first parameter, this is the first parameter. So the DC output power equals to 2 Im upon pi whole square RL. The DC output power equals to 4 I square M upon pi square RL. This is the DC output power. Next of all, what is the power AC? Power AC equals to, already we know that power AC equals to RMS current whole square into RL plus RF. This is the AC input power. This is the AC input power. Okay, AC input power equals to RMS current equals to I square M upon 2. RMS current equals to I square M upon 2. That equals to, generally RMS current equals to Im upon under root 2. This is the original value. RMS current equals to Im upon root 2. Then I square RMS equals to I square M upon 2. Okay, from these equations, this equation. Okay, next of all, so RL plus RF, this is the input power, this is the output power. So this is the ratio. Then these two equations are substituted in this equation. Eta equals to 4 I square M RL upon pi square, okay, upon I square M upon 2 RL plus RF. Okay, this equation can be written as 4 I square M RL upon pi square, okay, into 2 upon I square M RL plus RF. Here I square M is the cancel. Remaining is the 4 2s are 8 upon pi square RL upon RL plus RF. This is the eta. This is the eta. Okay, eta equals to 8 upon pi square value 3.14. 3.14 into 3.14 is the 9.85. This value RL upon RL common 1 plus RF plus RL. Okay, here RL is the cancel. Eta equals to 8 upon 9.85, 1 upon 1 plus RF upon RL. Okay, this is the eta, but the percentage of eta equals to, the percentage of eta equals to, this is the 8 upon 9.85 is the eta equals to 8 upon 9.85 is the 0.812 into 1 upon 1 plus RF upon RL. So eta equals to 0.812 upon 1 plus RF upon RL. So the percentage of eta equals to, this is the 81.2 upon 1 plus RF upon RL. This is the maximum value. This is the maximum value. If this is the maximum value, then RF upon RL equals to 0. When if this is the maximum value, when RF upon RL is 0. So RF upon RL is 0, then the percentage of eta equals to 81.2 upon 1 plus 0. The percentage of eta equals to 81.2. This is the rectifier efficiency. This is the rectifier efficiency. So this efficiency is the half efficiency in the half wave rectifier. This is the half efficiency is the half wave rectifier. What is the half wave rectifier? Half wave rectifier is the rectifier efficiency in the half wave is the half of the full wave rectifier. Half of the full wave rectifier. The rectifier efficiency is the 40.6. So by 2 equals to what? This is the half wave rectifier efficiency. This is the full wave rectifier efficiency. So full wave rectifier efficiency is the double of the half wave rectifier efficiency. Half wave rectifier efficiency of the half of the full wave rectifier efficiency. Okay, next parameter. our next parameter is the refill factor. Refill factor, that is the eta. That is the eta. Eta is the our eta is the definition of the ratio of the RMS value, RMS value voltage upon voltage, DC voltage. This is the eta. This equation already we know that eta equals to, this equation can be written as under root I RMS upon IDC whole square minus 1. Already we know that same terms and same equations in the half wave rectifier in the formulas. Okay, eta equals to I RMS is the, already we know that I RMS is the Im upon under root 2. IDC is the, already we know that IDC is the 2 Im upon pi. So these two values are substituted in this equation. Under root Im upon under root 2 Im upon pi whole square minus 1. So this equation can be written as eta equals to I square m upon 2 into I square m upon 2 into pi square upon 4 pi square upon 4 I square m. So this is the under root minus 1. Okay, so eta equals to under root I square m is the cancel, 4 2s are 8, pi square upon 8 minus 1. Okay, eta equals to pi square is the 9.8596 upon 8 minus 1. Okay, this value eta equals to under root, this value is the 1.23245 minus 1. Eta equals to under root 1.23245 minus 1 is the 0.23245. Eta equals to under root 0.23245 equals to 0.48 value. This is the refill factor.